wants to find the holy grail when it comes to Forex trading. They want that magic button that they just have to press and then they'll see thousands and thousands of dollars coming from the sky. If y'all find that magic button, let me know. But in the meantime, it's safe to say that Forex trading is not as easy as it sounds. You have to be constantly brushing up on this unique skill and you have to remain a student of the market. So in this video, I thought that it would be a cool idea just to share a few quick things that you can implement in your routine right away in hopes that it will help you just to improve your Forex trading skills. So keep watching. What is up guys, Candace B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. Happy whatever day of the week it is for you. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly go through 5 things that have to do with just decreasing the complexity of trading Forex and keeping things as simple as possible. In my opinion, that's the goal of Forex trading, just to keep things as straightforward as possible and avoid overcomplicating it. Now, as a disclaimer, these simple tips are just that. They are simple tips. I am in no way an expert Forex trader who makes millions of dollars every 5 minutes. I wish. So just take the information in this video with a grain of salt. And of course, these aren't the only things that you can do to improve your Forex trading skills. These are just things that I personally did that has helped my Forex trading. So hopefully this video will just help those who have been struggling to find their rhythm. But at the end of the day, it all just depends on the individual and how they choose to apply the information. I guess you can say that the true holy grail is just good old hard work and discipline. That being said, let's get right into these points. I find that I'm like too close to the camera because I lean forward and then like I need to tell myself to stay back, but then it's like my chair's squeaking. So the first thing is to understand your place in the market. We are retail traders. We are not the big banks or the institutions. So that means that we are a very, 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 very small piece of the pie. And this is important to understand and internalize because it will help you to realize that there's really no need to be trying to take big pieces of the pie. It's just not our place as retail traders. And if we try to act like the big players, you know, the big banks, the big ballers, and we try to act out of greed, then the market will humble us real quick, okay? That being said, there is nothing wrong with just catching those small moves, the small pieces of the market, because this can be more beneficial, especially for beginner traders. You build your confidence, you're more specific about the trades that you take, you use less risk, etc. Understanding your place in the market goes hand in hand with understanding who you are as a person when it comes to Forex trading. This shouldn't be an ego thing. You shouldn't feel the need to beat the market 24/7 because trust me, that won't happen. And the sooner that you understand this, the sooner that your Forex skills can start to improve. So the second point is to make sure that you analyze your charts beforehand. This is the best way to remain prepared, and preparation is vital when it comes to Forex trading. Don't be that person who thinks that they can just sit down and look at a chart and then boom, they can just take a trade off of instinct. Been there, done that, never ended well. It literally takes 10 minutes to analyze a chart and to prepare yourself for what you will do if price moves a certain way. Analyzing charts will absolutely improve your Forex trading skills, and rather quickly because you are getting your eyes accustomed to the various movements of the market. You're also adding to your chart time, which adds to your knowledge, and you also start to see when there are both favorable and unfavorable times to be in the market. So please take analyzing charts very seriously. It is an important part of becoming the best Forex trader that you can be. And I know for beginners, it may be very difficult to understand what is going on with the charts. But for example, if you focus on going through the candlesticks one by one and seeing how each candlestick tells a story when they're formed, then you will naturally start to improve your Forex analytical skills. And then you'll be awesome. The third point that I will mention is to use realistic lot sizes. Now the term realistic is subjective here because everyone will have their own idea of what is realistic to them and their trading goals. But my point is to use lot sizes that make sense to your trading capital. In my opinion, it's kind of crazy to be using a standard lot on a $200 account, for example. If you do that, then you are living on the wild side. I know you may have seen people on social media take small accounts and flip them into large ones by using large lot sizes, but don't let that fool you, please. Please don't let that fool you. That is not realistic, and we are talking realistic here. Is the word realistic starting to sound kind of weird? Anyways, there is no shame in using small lot sizes, okay? Matter of fact, you should be proud of yourself because you have the sense to not over leverage and stress yourself out. because stress ain't cute. You have to understand what you can tolerate in terms of risk, and your lot size should reflect that. It's as simple as that. That's literally such a simple way to improve your Forex trading skill. Now, the fourth point that will also hopefully help you to improve your Forex trading skill is to treat Forex like a business. I'm sure you've heard people say this before. I know I've mentioned it in many of my other videos, but it's honestly the truth. Because how are you supposed to take anything seriously if you don't treat it like an actual profession? And I think people oftentimes get confused with the idea of treating Forex like a business versus trading Forex full time. You don't need to trade Forex full time to treat it like a business. Even if you choose to trade every other day or you trade once a week, you should still not approach it like a hobby when you do trade, because it will become an expensive hobby. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's up to you. I just feel like you have to make sure that every time you decide to trade, that you just treat it with the utmost respect and importance. Keeping track of your trades, having a plan and schedule of when you'll trade, how you'll trade, how much risk you'll use, etc. These are all part of treating Forex like a business, because it is in fact your business. And I feel like one of the biggest mistakes that any trader can make is not thinking of it as one. I mean, if you don't believe me, just go ahead and do whatever. Just take random trades, don't have any structure, and see if you can achieve consistent success with that. Now, you will make money and you will lose money. That's just what happens in any business. But of course, the goal is to make sure that you make more money than you lose. That's why it's important to focus on improving your skill set, because really, even if you have thousands of dollars to fund an account with, if you don't have your skill set down, then you're gonna eventually blow that money. The fifth and final point that I will mention in regards to improving your Forex trading skill is to be flexible. You have to be able to adjust to things that are happening in the market. You can't marry your trade. That's a phrase that I heard years ago and it's always stuck with me. And what I mean by that is just that a lot of times, due to greed or being in denial, a trader will hold onto a trade when they know in the back of their mind that it will not play out in their favor. But because they want to win the trade so badly, their ego gets involved, and then they stubbornly hold onto the trade, or they just keep moving their stop loss further and further away. And I think we can all agree that that is counterproductive. If you can't adapt to the market conditions and cut your losses short, then your confidence will take a hit, because you're gonna start getting annoyed, you're gonna get frustrated, you're gonna even think that the market is purposefully against you. But by remaining flexible in the markets, you're automatically improving your Forex trading skills, because you're getting rid of those bad habits that cost you. Imagine an entrepreneur who sells products online, but they refuse to be flexible to what their customers want. They buy inventory for a product that nobody wants and that clearly is not selling, but due to their stubbornness, they just keep buying that same inventory, even though there are no sales. How silly does that sound? The markets are constantly changing, and you can even see for yourself that what is affecting the markets now is different than what affected the markets a year ago. Adapt, adapt, adapt. That is the bottom line, and a great way to improve your Forex trading skills very quickly. You know what? Because I appreciate you guys so much and you've made it this far into the video, I want to share a bonus point with you guys, because I want y'all to win. I honestly want you guys to reach every trading goal and every life goal that you put your mind to. But first, I need you guys to do me one little favor, one teeny weeny favor, okay? I need you guys to go ahead and like this video right now, okay? Don't worry, I will wait. Take your time, don't worry, I will wait. Okay, so this bonus point is a really important one. It's a game changer, if I may say so myself. And that is to review your losing trades. Every single one of them, okay? I'm not playing when I say this. Every single one. As hurtful and as painful as it may be to look at those red numbers, you have to. This is one of the quickest and most effective ways to improve your Forex trading skills. The reason for this is because it will help you to figure out what works and, more importantly, what doesn't work. And this is why I stress the importance of having a trading journal, because you have to collect and review the data to see your progress. If not, then how will you achieve your goals as a Forex trader? Tell me, how? Reviewing your losses will really help you just to stop and self-evaluate. A lot of times you'll realize that these losing trades are just a result of greed or fear of missing out, or even trying to predict where the market is going to go without it playing its hand first. Then there will be other times that you realize that the losing trade was simply a result of probability. Either way, there is always a lesson to be learned by reviewing your losing trades, and this will inevitably improve your Forex trading skills. There you have it, my friends, a total of 6 things that you can implement today to improve your Forex trading skills right away. That rhymed. Like I said at the beginning of the video, these are only a few of many things that you can do, but I just wanted this video to be a helpful resource, just a starting point for those who are trying to improve their trading skills. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video in any way, shape, or form, please let me know by hitting that like button. I would really appreciate that as well. Also, feel free to comment down below and let me know what things have you personally implemented to increase your trading skills. What has been a game changer for you? Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe so you know when I post another video. And in the meantime, feel free to check out any of my other videos on my channel. Remember that you, yes you, are a phenomenal human being capable of achieving anything that you put your mind to. So have a fabulous day, week, and life. Bye!